Hello, I'm Carolyn. I'm the owner of the Halfway House in Banbridge. We're a rural restaurant located just off the main A1 dual carriageway. We took over the business in August 2020 and recently purchased it last year. It's important for us to maintain the business for the future. In order to do that, we need to lower our costs. The reason we got a solar installation was because of energy costs were through the roof, and we needed to do what we could to lower that and make the business more sustainable. When deciding which supplier to go through, it was important that I looked at all the elements of the installation, including the aftercare, and Encom were by far the best. Working with Encom Energy was brilliant. Right from the installation team to the aftercare, it's been excellent. With it being a restaurant, we were open 7 days a week, so the installation team had to work around our customers and there was no issues whatsoever. I hope to see a major reduction in our energy costs. Our current costs have gone through the roof, and the solar installation is hopefully going to help us sustain ourselves for our future. I would absolutely recommend Encom to anyone who's looking at solar installation, be it domestic or commercial.